That's it, give us a polish. Would you like to tell us about how long have you had it?
I've had it 12 months. Purchased it after having a 2+2.
Right.
And I always fancied the Roadster. And this came along about 12 months ago, and it was advertised in Worcester. Right. And it was advertised as a total nut and bolt rebuild. And so, I say, nut and bolt, what do you mean a nut and bolt? He said, well, everything on it has been replaced.
So he's done that, not you?
So he's done it, and it was started in 1990, and it was finished in 1994. And fantastic. Since then, it's been to the garage every year, done 20 miles for the MOT and back. So since 1992, when it was first on the road, but not finished, it's done 800 miles.
That's amazing, isn't it?
So it's had a new tub, new bonnet, new rear wings, new boot lid, new interior, engine rebuild, gearbox rebuild, diff rebuild, all the suspension, all the chrome work, new stainless wheels.
It must be absolutely immaculate.
It is. I'm very pleased with it. The guys who have done it, I mean, it's been done properly.
Right.
The shell was bought from Hudson's, which they manufactured the actual tub itself.
Yeah.
The bonnet came from Jaguar, which in the early days was about £4,500, which relates today to about £10,000 for a bonnet. But the car runs like a dream. It's nice, it's smooth, it's quiet. And with it being a Series 2, it's a bit softer than the Series 1.
Right.
It's got a little bit more give, a bit more forgiving on the suspension and the comfort. Because you've got all this new foam seats in it with the leather, soft leather, which are perforated seats, so you don't sweat as much when you sat in it in this lovely, nice weather.
Nice, isn't it? What year is it?
It was built in 1970 and then redone in 1992 by a private person, but paid professional people to do it.
Fantastic. It looks absolutely like brand new out the showroom, doesn't it?
It is. It's got full history from new, with all the service vouchers from day one, with all the receipts for everything that's ever been done on it, including the rebuild.
And you do you get out much in it?
First time out since 1992, apart from the MOT, was Event City.
Oh yeah.
And it got first prize best in show last year.
Right.
And Glossop show near Marple, best in show again. So that's the only two shows it's done since 1992, and won both of them.
It's beautiful. I like the wire wheels.
The wire wheels again have been bought as an aftermarket. They are stainless.
Yeah.
So I mean, originally they would have been painted silver.
Right.
So that's the uprated wheels on it with stainless spokes. So you don't have to worry as much. Bit of a pain to clean, but well worth it when they look
fantastic
like that.
Absolutely brilliant. Is this the first show you've done?
No, I've been doing shows for about 10 years. I used to have an MGC and I used to show that.
Yeah.
But I always fancied a Jaguar, and this came along and it was one of those. I saw it and just fell in love with it.
Brilliant. Nice.
You take some beating, you know, the paintwork's really good, the gaps are good, the bonnet fits perfect, there's no rattles. It drives as it should be, as it should do.
The lines are perfect.
Yeah, the lines are nice. Yeah. And it's as clean underneath as what it is on top. Even the engine bay. You're quite welcome to look at the engine bay if you wish.
Yeah, if you like. Would you like to?
Yeah. centre catch on the bonnet, opens it up. Swings on the pivots at the front.
What's the best side?
The other side's the better side. You see the carburettor and all the shiny bits.
Yeah, the shiny bits.
What you can see there is all the manifolds have been enamelled, all the suspension's been renewed. It's got modified twin fans on it instead of a single fan.
Yeah, because they used to overheat, didn't
That's
they?
right, upgraded aluminium radiator, which helps all the heat inside of it.
Absolutely.
So you don't have any problems with this lovely weather.
And you're in the enthusiast club?
I'm in the Jaguar Enthusiast Club, yeah, and I formed this club 15 years ago, Cheshire Classic Car Club.
Yeah.
And I'm a member of a few other clubs. It's just nice to pick and choose, depending where you're going.
Oh, I've got a YouTube channel, so this will be on YouTube.
Oh,
if you
right.
don't mind.
Right, no, I don't mind at all.
Showing off your Jag. I haven't done any E-Type, so I'm
Well, it's a Series
really
2,
pleased.
1970 Series 2, 4.2 Roadster manual. Rebuilt 1992 and finished 18 months ago, really. Original triple SU carburettors.
I like your little Corgi E-Type on the dashboard.
Oh yeah, I had to, yeah, the actual cover on it had a white hat soft top on it, so I painted it black last week before it came out.
Yeah.
So it matches the actual hood cover.
How many miles has it done? I suppose that doesn't really matter,
It
does
doesn't
it?
really
It's
matter.
been
The actual
rebuilt.
total would be 110, but it was 110 when it was last put on the road.
Yeah.
So anything over 110 is what the actual mileage done. This car's done as a rebuilt car, so it's done 800 miles.
You'll have to get it out more often for shows and things.
Well, that all depends on this lovely weather. You
Yeah.
know.
Are you going to Birmingham?
No, I don't do Birmingham. No.
There's a big one in Birmingham this year.
I'll be doing Cape Thorne, 3 shows at Cape Thorne, 3 shows at Tatton, 1 at Southport, Vent City, and a few others during the course of the year, really.
Yeah.
But it all depends on the weather. You know, if it's pouring down with rain, it's not something you want to be cleaning
No.
in 2 minutes. But I enjoy doing it. Therapeutic.
Yeah. Well, thanks very much for the time you've spent on this.
No problem.
It's an absolutely immaculate car. And Alan, I've got a mate somewhere. He's going to be sick as a parrot when he's out taking pictures, and he should be looking at this, shouldn't he?
He should be, yeah.
Okay. Thanks very much.